installed, most packages managers are manually downloading the adding of your own paths and pre-recovery sites is available. 3.9.12 is the latest version and Java homepage is mandatory and Java homepage is mainly we have to create it and next JDK, this is Java development in as a new version. Okay, this is a new version we have to use and mostly in Apache Maven, Red Hat terminal mostly we have to use. Okay, Red Hat is a mostly I'm using, and once download the Apache Maven, extract the distribution directory and add a bin created of the directory and confirm with mvn-v. Okay, this is a mvn-v is a version checking progress purpose. Guys, basic Linux commands is mandatory, guys. Okay, so I will explain what is the command I'm using, what are the uses, what is use case, everything I will explain. Okay, now I want to download the software. Okay, so first I want to create one server, next I want to do this. Okay, installation progress. Now I want to go to AWS account. Okay, so because AWS account is mandatory, because the server, without server we can't do that anything, right? So now I want to go to server. Okay, this is the server. Now launch instance. Now I'm using North Virginia region. Okay, now today I'm creating Maven server. Maven dev project. Okay, Maven dev project 1. So this is a Maven dev project. Now I want to create the server. Now I want to take the Red Hat mission. Previously I'm using in Amazon Linux. Normal server creation purpose I'm using, and Red Hat I want to take, and Red Hat is this a free tier. Okay, this is a free tier. Okay, now I want to check the free tier or not. See, this is a free tier eligible of Red Hat. Okay, so free tier and instance type is a T3 micro. T3 micro is enough, guys, and T3 micro, T vCPUs and 1 GB of memory and on demand Ubuntu of USD operation hour is available and 1 GB of memory is enough in installations and configuration purpose. Now I want to create a pen because security purpose Maven dev pro. Okay, so this is a pen. Okay, as a security purpose. Now I want to go to network settings. Okay, is there network settings is available? See this edit option, default default options also available. Already I have a subnets and all those things. Now I want to okay, now I want to add the subnet also, and next, that's it. No need to modifications. Security group is enough and SSH is protocol is available and 10 GB is memory is available. Okay, now I want to create the server. This region is supported or not, let us check. Okay, if in case any mistake, the server is not created, otherwise it's created. Okay, this is a EC2 server creation and view all instances, and server is running. Going to connect option. So starting. Okay, actually the thing is North Virginia, and I'm using in VPC configuration. Subnet also adding, but because and enabling process I forgot, so I will terminate this server. Okay, so North Virginia some applications is not supported. EC2 configuration is not visible in properly. So now I want to change. Okay, now I want to go to Singapore region and London, Singapore. I want to go to Singapore. This Singapore, any service is available or not? Let us check. Okay, same process. Maven server. So I want to take Red Hat, and Red Hat configuration is available. P3 micro key pair. So I want to create a key pair. Already one key pair is available. Now I want to remove that key pair because so much of key pairs available in my format. I want to remove this. Okay, I want to remove here. So now I want to create key pair. Key Maven dev project. Create a key pair. Okay, and then next observing that VPC configuration is available and subnet all the availability zones available. Before auto assign public IP is disabled, now enable. The configuration is enabled. Previously the network settings is previously created, right? Without VPC, with VPC also will work. Okay, depends upon work. Okay, with VPC also we'll have to create the server. Without VPC also we have to create the server. But with VPC, default VPC was available, just you can attach. Otherwise you have to create your own VPC. The own VPC also will work. Otherwise own VPC also available. Okay, in this network settings. Create security group and select existing security group. If you want to add these are the all security groups. No need just you can select existing security group. Both are will work. So SSH traffic, secure shell. Okay, secure shell and anywhere means full traffic, providing the full traffic. These are the protocols. HTTP traffic protocol and HTTPS traffic internet protocol is supported. If you want to use depends upon work related, just you can attach the ticks. Otherwise no need. Okay, so configuration storage 10 is enough. Actually 8 is enough, 10 is also enough. The up to 3000 range of volume in the 10 is enough. So now I want to create only one server. Okay, that is a Maven server, only one server. So this server don't terminate, guys. This is a project server. Once you have to completed your work just your server is you can stop, don't terminate. Okay, again I will tell you. So now today onwards we have to start the dev environment. Once you have to create your servers, don't terminate your servers because next final output, all the servers connection, all the server connection IP addresses we have to deploy to Jenkins dashboard. Okay, this is a project environment, so don't remove the servers. Okay, bill was generated, but you can stop the servers. Okay, you can use the proper way. Whatever the instructions I will give, just you can do that. Okay, otherwise bill also not generated of AWS. Okay, just you can copy the SSH directly straight away. Already you have a pen. Directly you can type here. Directly straight away you can go to and directly you can connect here. Okay, see directly connect and S. Are you sure you want to connect to the server? Yes, I'm surely connecting into server. So this is a Maven server. How to identify the Maven server? So this is IP address, right? Going to instance. See this IP address. And every time public private IP is a constant IP, public is a not constant. 172.31.20.160. That is a private IP address. See 160. That is a private IP address. Okay. Now I want to use the switch to root path. Okay, sudo su hyphen switch to root path. Observing that now I am in root path. What is the difference between EC2 path and root path? EC2 is a elastic cloud compute and user IP address also available. Root. The root means completely any kind of softwares we have to install it in easy way because it's supported very much. Okay, that is the reason mostly we have to using in root user. Super user to switch to root user. So it's a super user like that. Okay, once we have to configure the root user, all the implementations, all the softwares is a very supported and easily we have to install. That is a power of root user. Sudo su hyphen command is very mandatory. Sudo means super user to switch to root user purpose. We have to use the sudo command. Okay, this is the command. Super user to switch to root user. Okay, that is a power of command. Now I want to deploy the Java project. So this is a project. Okay, this is a project code pom.xml file. So this is a Java application. So I am developing by the Java project, right? So in this Java project, Docker file also available, Jenkins file also available, but language is Java. Okay, and Git file also available, and Maven web application file also available, and pom.xml file also available. All the related softwares also available, packages also available. So now I want to support at the file. So firstly, I want to install the Java software because this is a application is a Java application running the web application. Now I want to install the Java software. Without Java, we can't do that. Before, we can set up the Java configuration, otherwise that application was working. Okay, that application is a web application. Okay, web application. So in the DevOps engineers daily roles and responsibilities in these works. Okay, application running or not, whether check deploy or not checking, system analysis or not, whether checking, everything we have to check in daily basis. So in this Java version is available, we can check Java hyphen version. This command will helps to the Java is available or not, whether checking progress purpose we have to use this command. See, this Java version is not available, right? The Java version is not available. Again, we can check command not found. The reason this is a new server. Okay, this is a new machine. This is a new terminal. Okay, this is not command found. Just you can break, just you can pronounce, just you can use it. This is a server machine like that. Okay. So the Java software is not available in this version. So now I want to install the Java software. So how to install the Java software? Once again, guys. Once again.